Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're shedding light on the ultimate portable solution for your lighting needs, the mini keychain flashlight. Compact, powerful, and versatile, this is a must-have for every adventure. This dual LED flashlight features a frog eye lens for strong focusing performance. Its small size and lightweight make it perfect to pair with your keychain for easy portability. Equipped with a soft light cob side light, it offers a large floodlight that's soft, high brightness, and non-glaring, making it ideal as a reading light. With 6 levels of adjustment and diverse lighting modes, this mini flashlight meets all your needs, whether you're camping, working, or just need a reading light. The flashlight ensures a stable input of large current and is compatible with various charging equipment. The LED intelligent power display lets you monitor the power status at all times, avoiding sudden power outages. Its strong magnetic absorption allows it to easily attach to any iron surface, providing stable and hands-free lighting for any task. Illuminate your path with the mini keychain flashlight, the ultimate portable lighting solution for every situation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.